Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 6 from your EVS book. So what is the name of the chapter? The chapter name is water. So water is most important and necessary thing for our life. Means what we are living here. So what is important? It is important air and water. The water is second most important component. So let's start our chapter. So where do we get water from? So first is question, so we need water, but from where we get the water? To drink, to bath, to wash utensils, anything, what we get from the water? So we get water from many sources. So first of all, we get water from the many sources. We get water from the snow. So what do you mean snow? As snowfall is there in Simla, Manali, and when it melts, it forms a water. Some mountains are covered with snow. So as you know, many of the glaciers, many of the mountains covered with snow like Himalayas, as Ganga is rising from the Himalayas. So where it is? It is from the melting of the snow. In summer, the snow melts and water flows down as stream or waterfall. So as in summer, the snow going to melt and it rise of water and it forms rivers, lakes, freshwater lakes in the same. Then it takes the form of a river. After melting, they take a form of a river like Ganga Nadi. It's a river. Next is, as you have seen in picture, this is stream, this is waterfall, this is river, all coming from the mountains when snow melts. The major source of water on the earth is rainfall. So the major source on this earth is rainfall, and rainfall has a pure form of water. Much of the rainwater flows into rivers through drains and streams. So most of the rainwater, it gets wasted by flowing in streams and drains. Some rainwater collects in ponds and lakes, and some it collects in ponds and lakes. Like you have seen here, pond and lake. So the rainwater collected here. Some rainwater seeps into ground. So some rainwater gets into the ground to become a ground level water. So what it is? First rainwater, it wasted in seeps, drains, and second it collects in ponds and lakes, and third it goes into the underground. The water that is underground is called groundwater. The water that goes underground becomes the underground water, like in well, in tube well, in water tank. So it forms from the underground. This is the same water that rainwater gets underground, and underground water becomes the main source of water for us. We get underground water from the wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. So we get the same underground water from the wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. Next is, as you have seen the pictures, this is well, this is tube well, and this is hand pump. Rainwater is the purest form of water. So what you have learned? You have learned that the rainwater is the purest form of water. But when it falls on a ground, it becomes dirty. But when it gets dirty? It's dirty when it falls on the ground. Dirty water is called polluted water. In the same way, when air gets polluted, when air mixes with some other particles, it becomes air pollution. In the same way, when water mixes with dirt, dust, garbage, it becomes polluted, and this is known as water pollution. How does water get dirty? Now we are going to understand how this water gets dirty. The water in rivers, lakes, and ponds get dirty because. So how the water in river, lakes, and ponds get dirty? Because first one, dirty water from the factories and houses flows into rivers and lakes. So dirty water from the factories and houses means this like sewage water, like dumping water, like sewage. These are the main source that make the water polluted. How? The factory water from the factories, like here you have seen in the picture, the factory is releasing the dirty water into the lake and river. People bath their animals there, as you have seen in villages. They gave the bath to animals in the same river. So river get polluted with the dirt that taking out from the animals. People wash their utensils and cloths there. In the same way, villagers have washed their utensils and cloths at the where? At the same river. To prevent yourself from falling sick, drink boiled or filtered water. Boiling makes the water germ free. So for our health, for become healthy, So not falling sick means should not become ill. So what we have did? First to boil the water, or second you have to take the filtered water. So what does boiling do? Boiling make the water germ free. Water is necessary to all of us. We should not waste water. So water is very important for all means animals, plants, human beings. So we should not waste water, or as well as we should not pollute water. So this much is in your chapter. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next video.